The Dog and the Ball by Dr. Sara Northern. Hi, dog. What are you doing? The sun is shining. I want to go outside. Okay, let's go outside. No! I cannot go outside. Hmm? I need my red ball. Hmm? I see my ball by the wall. Hmm. I see my ball that is tall. Hmm. I do not see my red ball. Hmm? Dog. Dog, stop. I see the red ball. Where is my red ball? The red ball is behind you. Thank you. You are welcome. Let's go outside. Okay.